To establish your Bitcoin node successfully, ensure you have a stable and robust internet connection, as it plays a crucial role in maintaining your node's functionality. Additionally, secure hardware is essential. This setup will enable your node to communicate effectively with the Bitcoin network, ensuring it contributes to the overall integrity and decentralization of the blockchain system. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a vital part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. A computer with decent storage space, and a bit of patience. When you run a node, you contribute directly to the integrity of the decentralized system that supports Bitcoin's value and reliability. Every node strengthens the entire community. In this role, you become a part of a much larger collaboration, ensuring the resilience of a financial ecosystem that empowers individuals worldwide. Your participation not only bolsters the network but also champions the core principles of decentralization and trustless transactions. It's a big contribution to decentralization, and the good news is that it's easier than you might think. First, to begin, visit the official Bitcoin website, where you will find the latest version of the software available for download. Make sure to select the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the Bitcoin Core software to synchronize with the network. This will enable you to fully participate in the Bitcoin ecosystem and manage your transactions effectively. It's completely free and open source. Head over to the official Bitcoin Core website and choose the version that matches your operating system. Once downloaded, install the software on your computer just like any other program. After installation, when you run Bitcoin Core for the first time, it will start syncing with the Bitcoin blockchain. This process downloads the entire history of Bitcoin transactions, so make sure you have at least 500 gigabytes of free disk space. A stable internet connection. The initial sync might take a few days depending on your internet speed and hardware, but you can let it run in the background. Now, to appear on Bitnodes, your node needs to be reachable by other nodes on the internet. This means, to set up your node correctly, you need to ensure proper functionality. You must configure your firewall settings to allow inbound connections. This will enable other nodes to communicate with your node effectively, promoting a seamless and robust network experience for all users involved. If you're behind a router, you'll likely need to set up port forwarding. Bitcoin Core, therefore, becomes a crucial player in the decentralized network of transactions. Bitcoin Core primarily engages users on port 8333. The significance of Bitcoin Core's default listening on port 8333 cannot be overstated, as it ensures seamless connectivity and communication within the decentralized framework of cryptocurrency transactions, fostering a robust network for all participants. You'll need to log into your router settings and forward that port to the local IP address of the computer running your node. Next, make sure your firewall isn't blocking those connections. To do this, navigate to the Settings menu within Bitcoin Core, and adjust the network preferences accordingly. Ensure that your firewall settings permit this. By enabling incoming connections, you'll ensure that your node remains synchronized with the Bitcoin network, enhancing its efficiency and functionality. This critical adjustment not only optimizes your experience but also strengthens the overall network by providing additional support. Remember to double-check these settings regularly for ongoing connectivity. This step is essential if you want your node to be public and show up on Bitnodes. Once your node has completed syncing, Bitnodes will begin the detection process seamlessly. Bitnodes will identify it. Once detected, your node will be listed among other reachable nodes, contributing to the network's overall performance. This visibility helps ensure the stability of the system, and enhances your node's reputation within the Bitcoin community, fostering a more robust and collaborative environment. You don't need to sign up or submit anything. Bitnodes scans the network regularly for all active nodes and lists them by their IP address and port. To verify the details of your node, simply enter your IP address into the search field on the Bitnodes website. You'll receive confirmation shortly. Checking this will ensure accurate listings. Make sure to double-check that the information displayed aligns with your expectations to guarantee your node's presence on the network. It's essential for maintaining a reliable connection within the cryptocurrency ecosystem as well. Running a full node not only supports the network but also gives you privacy and independence when using Bitcoin. You don't have to trust any third party to verify your transactions, and you're helping others do the same. Imagine the pride as you watch your node illuminate the Bitnodes map, a beacon of your commitment to the Bitcoin network. The satisfaction is undeniable. In that moment, you realize that your small contribution matters, connecting you to thousands of like-minded enthusiasts. It's more than just participation, it's a statement of belief and a celebration of decentralization in its purest form. Your node is now part of something greater. Optimal performance hinges on not just powerful hardware, but also on maintaining stability and efficiently distributing system resources. When resources are well managed, achieving peak performance involves a holistic approach that prioritizes both the quality of hardware and the strategic management of resources, ultimately leading to a seamless and efficient user experience. A solid infrastructure will enhance your node's effectiveness. If you're using a Raspberry Pi, you might encounter unique challenges due to its limited resources. However, with careful configuration and monitoring, you can achieve impressive results that rival more powerful setups. Proving that efficiency often trumps sheer processing power in the realm of node operation. Install Bitcoin Core, allow incoming connections, and stay online as much as possible. That's all it takes to support Bitcoin and be part of something much bigger than yourself. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support, and we can't wait to share more engaging content with you in the future. Stay tuned for upcoming videos that will keep you entertained and informed. Your involvement makes all the difference.